Today, I wanted to make a quesadilla. You might already hear the grease popping because I'm getting started. So, I'm going to use a can of jackfruit. Got some peppers cut up, some onions. So, we're just going to throw that right there in the cast iron pan. It's already starting to burn. Been having a craving for this. So I just want to let that do its thing. Let that cook down a little bit. Throw a little seasoning on it now. Let's see. Use a little seasoning. Just want to saute that, let it get really soft. You don't want it all super crunchy inside of your quesadilla. Next, this is what your jackfruit looks like. Picked up this can from Roots Market. So just look at it. It's kind of like little chunks of chicken. So you just want to drain all of this out. Whoa. So drain that, and then I'll show you how I'm going to season it and break it down a little bit more. So I added a bit of water, garlic powder, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. Whoops. And a little bit of this. It's bouillon, or broth base, with a little water. Now I'm just gonna let this cook down. Let everything get nice and soft. You want it soft for your quesadilla. Now, as far as cheese goes for this quesadilla, be sure to grab the one that says all new cutting board Daya mozzarella. If not, the older Daya sucks and it's not going to work right. Someone wrote on my mac and cheese video that the cheese didn't melt, and they made it seem like I was lying to them, but you just didn't use the right cheese. The old Daya just was horrible. Just look at this. You cannot tell me that this doesn't look good. I mean, like, super delicious. I'm fogging up my lens. Gotta be sure to clean up, or Mrs. Vegan Mechanic is gonna have a fit. But yeah, you just want to let that cook down. This is pretty much done. So next, grab your tortilla. Okay, with your you want to put your pan on, medium. Put a little oil on the pan so that it won't stick, or anything else like Pam or any of that stuff like that. So you put your filling directly in half of the tortilla with the cheese on the top. If you have any type of sauces, that would also be good. Normally I keep it dry right here and I put the sauce on at the end. So you just want to fold this over like so. Whoops. I can't even begin to explain to you how hard this is with one hand. But look at that. We're going to make it happen. And no, I am not a chef. I'm just a big guy that likes to eat. So you want to cook that down. Let the cheese melt. If you have like a Foreman grill, panini press, or any of that stuff, that might make this a little easier. But you just let this go for a sec until you hear it start to cook a little bit on the bottom, and then you flip it. You might want to flip it 2 to 3 times. And this is what you'll end up with. Look at that. It's nice and cheesy, crunchy, easy, and I'm sure all your family will love this. Mash up some guac with it. You gotta put the guac with everything. My guac is real simple. I just took it out, took the avocado out and mixed it up with some tomato. You guys want to see me eat this? All right, look. All right. Some people don't try their own food. Let me get a little bit. Let me get a little bit of guac up in there. There we go. That's a real deal. It's so hard being vegan. I'm not going to sit here and eat all of this, but I want you guys to know I'm going to eat all of it. Not right now though. So eat grass, not ass. Like, subscribe, share this to your friends. And thanks for letting me hit 1K. Let's get to 10K.